Okay, Monday, level 1 dance class. This is Miss Lisa, and we are going to be dancing to Amazing by Canton Jones. We're going to practice it first with words, and then we're going to do it with music. And I changed some of it because before some of it is kind of hard. I know some of it still is a little bit hard, but that comes with practice. And we're supposed to be practicing every day. But because I can only hold one class a week, it's kind of hard to do that. Yay, so practice every day. Practice when you go to the store, practice in the bathroom mirror, and perform it for mommy and daddy. And it's important to say the words with the moves, and that'll help you. We've been learning that today. Okay, so here we go. All right, here we go. Woo! Okay, so here's what we're doing. We're putting our hands on our hips, and our feet are together. And I say 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's when we start. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Do you know what foot we started on? The right foot. Okay? And then we say, I love you, dear God, now. I love you, dear God, now. You are worthy of all praise. You are worthy of all praise. I will lift your name high. I will lift your name high. I will serve you for all of my days. Okay? So it's like you're swimming, and then your left foot comes together with your right foot. Now put your arms up, singing. You're going to kind of face the wall. Look, we're facing the wall as we turn. Whoa. Now I'm not spinning like this. I'm just walking in a circle. Whoa. You only need to turn one time, okay? And then go. God, you're amazing. Around, down, and up. Singing, whoa. Now you should be back in your other spot. God, you're amazing. Around, and then down and up. Now this part is your arms are in a high V. They cross in front of you like a big X. And they go all the way back up, and then down and up. So that's the tricky part for some of you. Some of you are going like this, and then back out again. Or some of you will go like this. So the trick is you got to keep your elbows straight and make one big whoosh. Woo! Okay, go down and then up. Okay, and then we say clap, clap, clap. Let's go. Clap, clap, clap. Let's go. Now we're going to put our feet together. This is the part that I changed. Are you ready? Okay. God, show us. Oh, I forgot. We're going to pop our feet out. Okay. Because in the first part, we have our legs out. Remember how we marched and then we pop our legs out? All right. We're going to do that again. We're going to go clap, clap, clap. Let's go. Clap, clap, clap. Let's go. Pop your legs out. God, show us your glory. God, show us your glory. Because there's only one true sovereign and holy God. You're holy God. Because there's only one true sovereign and holy God. You're holy God. You are the great I am. You are the great I am. I will serve you. The same thing again. For all of my days. Singing, whoa. God, you're amazing. Around, down, and up. Singing, whoa. God, you're amazing. Around, down, and up. One more time. Whoa. God, you're amazing. Around, down, and up. One more time. This way. Whoa. God, you're amazing. Around, down, and up. And then you can do your little curtsy bow and hip hop off stage. Okay? All right, let's do it with music. Woohoo! Click. And smile. Ready? Okay, you get your high five. Woo! And that is it. Practice hard. And we will be practicing as much as we can, okay? Practice, practice, practice. God bless you. Love you. Push this button.